This is the Laundry Pure.
To understand what it is, you have to meet Jenny. Say hi, Jenny. She makes sure that everyone is out of the house on time and that nobody misses an activity, and tries to carve out some time to herself whenever she can. Jenny has a son who loves sports, a daughter who is obsessed with going green, and another son who is allergic to everything. Laundry has become an expensive chore for Jenny. She drives to the store. She buys bleach, fabric softener, and special laundry detergent for her son, finds the time to do everyone's laundry, worries about how much hot water costs, and tries to get her husband Chris to help, and fails.
So Jenny finally decided to get a Laundry Pure by Velara.
Wow, that was actually pretty easy to install.
With Laundry Pure,
featuring Active Pure certified space technology, she doesn't have to use detergent, softeners, or hot water. Plus, her whole family enjoys softer, longer-lasting clothes and no more skin allergies. With the money she saved this year, the whole family is road tripping to the beach.
Even her daughter Becky gave a presentation on how Laundry Pure is environmentally friendly.
And her husband Chris is now a pro at doing laundry. Now you've met Jenny. She loves her family.
And with the Laundry Pure by Velara,
she can spend more quality time with them.